Hi, wanna animate your children's drawings? You'll love this tool. All you need is your phone and a drawing, so go to Animated Drawings. No need to registrate. Just upload a drawing from your photo gallery. It should have arms and legs.
First upload it, it will scan your image. Here is a default animation of the drawing. Below choose whichever you like. I chose this one. Now you can share it and download it.
Did you like the outcome? Your children will love it. Now, let us take it to another level. Watch part 2 of the video and create an animated scene. Please like, subscribe and hit the notifications button. Thanks for watching.